once you get whiteboard open, you simply hit the Windows tab that's there, and then you'll notice you actually have a toolbar here. And the toolbar will be, it'll let you write on any screen, even the screen I have currently up. I usually open my windows, I'll go to something that you're going to display with kids, and then simply just grab your pen, and then you're able to write, answer problems. You can have kids come up and answer problems, those types of things. So pretty quick and easy. You got to be in edit mode. Oh yeah, so once you put your palm on it, you can erase, but if you go to finger, obviously you're writing again, so it'll sense when you're erasing only like that, otherwise you're just basically writing again. One of the things that teachers do like about is if you want several students to work on the same problem to be able to come up, you can actually grab this piece. I try not to grab the first one, because it takes a picture of the whole screen. You actually only want to, if you want to take a piece of a problem, a little stuck. And then you can actually just take a copy of this. You can obviously enlarge it, make a copy. Try it. Oh, it did have a copy. Take a copy. Take a copy. And then you can have 4 kids come up and work on the same problem, or show the different answers that they, the different ways and solutions that they created. So some teachers really like the dice. So the dice is great because you can actually get more dice at one time, and you can do it. So you could either do addition problems, you could do multiplication problems. Some teacher actually does this. She taps it, and then it basically adds 65 plus 42. Just some simple, easy ways to get numbers that you want really fast.